All right, I need a criminal defense attorney to explain this one to me. Let me bring in Darren Gelber. You know him well, Court TV regular, former prosecutor in the Bronx DA's office, and he now practices criminal defense and civil rights litigation in New Jersey and New York. Welcome to the program, Darren.
Thanks, Lisa. You know, a problem that the defense would have by putting these two defendants on the stand is that they're going to end up confirming at least 95 or 97% of the state's case.
That's right.
The questions to these pilots would be, that's you on the videotape, right? That's you, right?
Yeah.
Well, yeah, that's me.
Yeah, but the jury knows that's them. That's not really in dispute, is it?
No, but having the defense confirm the vast majority of the state's case lends a lot of credence to the other parts of the state's case.
Well, they're going to have to answer the question, how many beers did you drink? How
many beers did you drink? You didn't have any sleep that night. What were you thinking? You know the FAA regulations say X, Y, and Z, and you purposely ignored them. They're going to end up looking pretty awful, I think, if they get on the stand.
Well, Michael, a lot of interesting emails from our viewers. Darren, let me direct this one to you. Steve in Bethlehem, Pennsylvania wants to know, why can't the state call Hughes to testify against Cloyd or vice versa about how much drinking they did? In that case, they're not testifying against themselves, right?
Well, this would bring up a case called a Bruton Problem, named after a Supreme Court case, which says that you can't, first of all, you can't call a defendant to testify against another defendant in the same trial. If they had wanted to, the state could have moved to separate these two trials and try these two men separately, one after the other. And then theoretically, depending on how the trials turned out, they might be able to call one of the pilots to testify against the other at the other's trial.
So what's in it for the state to try both of them at once?
Well, to get it over with.
Efficiency.
Efficiency. They don't have to worry about inconsistent verdicts where one defendant might get convicted and another one might get acquitted. The second trial obviously would have a great advantage over the first trial because they would have an opportunity to see the whole state's case before their trial started.